Hey friend, have you heard of AI Photos? It's a fantastic company that uses artificial intelligence to create artfully inspiring photos. They focus on couples, but individuals can also use their services. The best part is that clients appreciate the company's mission, customer support, and design. AI Photos aims to make every photo artfully inspiring, and they do just that. For only $4.99, you can access over 150 digital images, and if you want a print-ready photo, they offer it for $7.99. There are over 50 stars for men, women, and couples. But it's not just about the photos. AI Photos uses its cutting-edge AI technology to create realistic and unique digital avatars for various contexts, like social media, games, or virtual reality environments. They offer a limited time discount of 50% off, so you can have the chance to experience an unrealistic digital representation of yourself or your significant other. And the feedback from users is fantastic. Take Ahmad Satchel for example. He thinks it's a pretty cool app that's simple to use and creates exciting avatars in many different genres. He's even using one of AI Photos avatars and says the results are excellent. It took him a while to pick just one avatar because there were so many great options. Overall, AI Photos is worth checking out if you're looking for a fun and personalized virtual experience or just a unique digital representation of yourself or your significant other. With their advanced technology, excellent customer support, and fantastic design, you won't regret it. Highly recommend it. Hey there, have you ever heard of Toolsi? It's a fantastic tool that helps Etsy sellers like us increase sales and reach a larger market. It's like having a secret weapon in your arsenal to take over the Etsy world. Toolsi gives you the power to analyze and track your competitors with incredibly accurate data, so you can find out what people love on Etsy and replicate it in your store. And the best part is that it's super easy to use. It takes just a few minutes to download and connect to your Etsy store, and you're ready to go. With Toolsi, you can do a keyword search and redesign your process so the right customers can find you easily. Just find the keywords they're searching for what you're selling, and voila, you'll get an insane boost in organic traffic. You can also do a store search to see what other Etsy stores offer and what's popular. This feature connects you to every store on Etsy so you can see everything they offer. And if you want to see how much product they're selling, Toolsi also has a rank check feature that allows you to see the best-selling items. With these three factors combined, you'll clearly understand what's hot, who has it, and how they're positioning their offerings. Not only that, but you can also create product reports to find out the most popular products on the market at any given time. You can create reports by category to see what people buy in each category. With Toolsi, you'll be able to put your popular products in the best category where people are searching for them. And if you need a general report that summarizes any numbers you need to make better decisions for your store, Toolsi has got you covered. Even better, Toolsi requires no fancy marketing degree or math expertise. It's easy to learn and saves you a ton of money on outreach. You can find out what's popular in just a few minutes and clicks. And don't just take my word for it. Toolsi has received positive reviews from many users who have praised its community, design, and pricing. For example, Ali Tavlashoglu writes, "Toolsi is the best tool I have used. I find my keyword rankings easily with Toolsi and my sales went up after I started using it. I love the design of the interface and the features that can't be found anywhere else. I'm thrilled to be able to keep track of my competitors." Serap was also pleased with the collaboration, saying, "The best tool I have used. I find my keyword rankings easily with Toolsi. After I started using it, my sales went up. It's a great tool." So what are you waiting for? Get Toolsi today and turn your Etsy store into a sales growth machine. It offers a free trial or version to try it out for yourself. I hope this helps, and happy selling. Hey there. Have you heard about Tera? It's like the excellent new tool in town for making mobile apps. And the best part, it's a low-code builder, meaning you don't have to be a programming wizard to use it. With Tera, you can create an app faster than you ever thought possible. So when you log into Tera, you'll first see the home page. This is where you can manage all your app projects. You can create new ones, delete ones you don't need, and invite others to join your Tera team. You'll also see your accounting information and plan your own, so you'll always know what you're working with. Tera is perfect for companies who want to test and validate new ideas but don't want to spend much money hiring developers. With Tera, you can create an MVP, minimum viable product, in just a few days, and you can do it all from the comfort of your device. And the best part, you don't have to write a single line of code. The Tera platform is all-inclusive, providing everything you need to make a great app. It has a scalable NoSQL database, a secure authentication system, and analytics capabilities. The platform guides you through creating an app in 4 easy steps. Set up dynamic collections, design the app, share a link, and export the best player. Developers build Tera for developers. But don't worry, even if you don't have any programming experience, Tera is still accessible. The source code for your app is just a single click away, and you can even make custom queries to extract data from the database. And the best part? Tera is framework independent, so you can create apps using Flutter if that's your thing. Tera's mission is to make it possible for anyone to create mobile products, saving time and money. Just take it from Alessandro Fabiano, who's extremely satisfied with Tera. He considers it one of the best no-code, low-code builders out there and highly recommends it to low-budget entrepreneurs who are just starting with the app and web app development. So what are you waiting for? Give Tera a try and see how fun and easy it is to make an app. Have you heard of Merlin? It's a game changer for anyone who uses the internet daily. With Service, you have the power of OpenAI's ChatGPT technology at your fingertips, right in your browser. No more endless scrolling or wading through irrelevant information. Merlin can analyze text and generate summaries, action them, and video scripts. You can provide it with the full text of your content and ask it to create a resume based on that text. It will then analyze the text and offer a concise and comprehensive overview that includes all the content's main points and key details. Service can also help you write complex Excel formulas and codes with ease. Simply provide a prompt describing the function or operation you want, and Merlin will suggest a formula or code to get the job done. And what about those emails that seem to pile up every day? Service can help you with professional responses in no time. Provided with the context of the email, the desired tone, and the content of your answer, and watch as Merlin generates text that matches your style and scope perfectly. Merlin is also great for summarizing long-form content like documents, articles, books, or research papers. Just give it the title of your content or copy it and ask it to generate a summary, and voila, you'll have a shorter version of the content that still captures the essence of the paper. Service can even be an excellent tool for coding problems. Provide it with a brief description of your situation, and it will analyze your query and automatically write the code for you. And if you have a child curious about the world, ask Merlin any question they ask and watch as it explains the answer in simple, easy-to-understand language. Jamison, Lerner, and Michael are just two of the many people who have raved about the benefits of using Merlin. Jamison thinks the only addition that could improve the experience is the introduction of a voice mode, where you can dictate your queries and hear the answers read back to you. And Michael has been using the Merlin add-on for Chrome and can't say enough about how it's made web browsing so much easier with its built-in ad blocker, fast and safe search engine, and user-friendly interface. If you still need to start using Merlin, it's high time you tried it. Hey friend, have you heard about TenL? It's the new company that's changing the game in API documentation. They're taking a page from Stripe's book and making it easier for companies of all sizes to create clear and concise API documentation. With TenL, you must plug in your GitHub repository or upload your API collection, and it will do the rest. TenL analyzes everything and provides the necessary API documentation, plus an AI assistant that uses natural language processing to make it even better. The AI will automatically describe various API attributes and explain their use. This way, even non-technical team members can contribute to the process. Now, TenL isn't a magic bullet. You'll still need to fine-tune the formats and wording, add images, and make other tweaks. But it automates the process as much as possible, so you can focus on the important stuff. One of the best things about TenL is that it supports a variety of APIs, including OpenAPI, Postman, SOAP API, Async API, and GraphQL. And if you need to make updates, you can do it within seconds. TenL is designed for everyone, with API widgets and support for multiple programming languages. It even has a developer portal and API browser, so you can easily extend API implementation to other platforms. But what else sets TenL apart is its customer support, design, and ease of use. They've got high marks in these areas and they're always working to improve the platform. Regarding pricing, TenL has a basic plan that costs around $20 per user and up to $45 a month for unlimited API projects in their business plan. They also have a corporate strategy that includes custom branding and self-hosting options. And the best part? They're working on a completely free version too. It's no surprise that TenL is particularly popular in the fintech space. After all, they're looking to emulate one of the most successful fintech startups of the past decade. Just like Stripe, TenL is making API documentation more accessible, and that's a big reason why developers love it.